Galaxy S25 Ultra is here. We have our first real video hands-on of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which confirms its design and features. The phone looks boxy with rounded edges, a flat display, and a punch-hole camera. On the back, we have 4 camera sensors, including wide dual telephoto and ultra-wide-angle lenses. The phone is running One UI 7.0, which is a significant upgrade. The S25 Ultra appears to be lighter and has an S Pen, making it a compelling option. And according to the news, Samsung has fired senior executives due to poor performance in the semiconductor chipset game. And if you talking about the chipset, all Galaxy S25 series models will come with the next Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, which is great news for customers. Samsung's Exynos chip failed to meet expectations, and Google has also dumped Samsung for TSMC for their next-gen Pixel 10 device. There may be a powerful AI upgrade for the Galaxy S25 series with One UI 7.0, as OpenAI wants to collaborate with Samsung to integrate ChatGPT DNA with Galaxy AI. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe